Hey guys, my name is J.R. Benton, Director of Production at Church of the City's Spring Hill location, and we had the chance to evaluate the Dante AV platform and AJA 4K T and R devices. So for us, being able to integrate the Dante AV platform onto our existing Dante network really opened up our eyes to new ways that we could utilize these video solutions in some overflow spaces, backstage TVs, and have even got us rethinking now some future plans for video distribution across our entire campus. Currently, our video system is all Blackmagic cinema cameras, and our router is a 40x40 from Blackmagic, and we're running an ATEM Constellation 2ME as our main video switcher. And while everything is currently working within our system, we have been needing to upgrade some of our infrastructure within our building, mainly to go beyond the 300-foot limitations of SDI. So for me, I was really curious to see how the Dante AV products integrated into our existing Dante network, as well as how they handled things like latency and just overall video quality. Unfortunately, with most converters, you can get some pretty bad delay or some artifacting or compression issues, but with these Dante AV devices, we didn't experience that at all. The codec and the bitrate are extremely high while being efficient on our network. The other thing I love about these devices is that they're 4K capable, meaning that we would be future-proofing our system far into the future by having these devices in the proper Cat6 cabling. Whenever we're ready to make the jump to 4K, all we simply need to do is just enable it within Dante controller and we're ready to go. So even on our 1080 or 720 backbone that we currently have, these devices make it ready for us to jump to 4K once we're ready. One of the best things about utilizing these Dante AV converters was just how simple it was to get them onto our Dante system. Whenever you have a building that's outfitted with a Dante infrastructure, but not a ton of video infrastructure everywhere, it makes getting video to some auxiliary spaces or rooms incredibly easy. So even if there's a room that you don't have video network set up, if you have a Dante network, all you have to do is just connect these devices and integrate them onto your Dante network, and you can send high quality audio and video to every room that you need to all over Dante. You don't have to run SDI or fiber. You can keep your system exactly the same, just running Dante. So one other cool thing about these devices is that they have HDMI and SDI connectivity. So you're not limited by whatever you're connecting to it. You could connect HDMI straight out of a camera, convert that onto the Dante audio network. And then on the receiver, you could go out HDMI or SDI. You can mix and match both of those flavors on the transmitter and the receiver, which make for a really flexible workflow for your video system. I was really impressed with the build quality of these devices. I mean, I've used AJA products before in the past, so their reputation precedes them. I was excited to see that that reputation still lived up with these products as well. I would have no hesitations sending or recommending these to friends doing setup teardown churches, portable churches, or even in long-term installations, they can work as well. If you're looking for a video over IP solution, I would highly recommend checking out the Dante AV platform to integrate into your system.